Okay, so, you know I'm Hannah Montana now.
I just told you not to do that again.
Kitty, stop. Oh, they don't care. I'm recording it. You spoiled all the fun, Mommy. Look at that, you abusive thing.
What?
No.
Wait,
No, I was showing that.
Let me see it. Let me see
Because you're abusive. Get off me. Don't touch me. Okay, so I'm in Walmart. I gotta run from Brianna because she's abusive. Okay. Let's go see how she's doing. No! Brianna, come back! Whoa. You can blame it all on me. Brianna, come back. This isn't fair. Every time I do something wrong, you run away from me.
Where's Mom?
I don't know. Okay, so we can't find out. So
We just started looking.
I don't know. But oh well.
We're singing with the Hannah Montana.
I'm sorry. I can't believe I did that. It just makes me so happy. I gotta sing just like Hannah Montana. My role model, who I want to be when I grow up. Gosh, I love her.